Hola. So I haven't vlogged in a while, but yay, I'm here. I'm still alive. I'm yawning because I'm tired. Even though I woke up at 10:30 today. So a lot has happened since the last vlog. I just uploaded a couple vlogs. One was the Selena Gomez concert that we went to in June, and then the other one was for 4th of July weekend. We went to my aunt's house and hung out there, a bunch of stuff, so that's that. Yeah, I guess I can't really think of anything else. I don't really know. But right now I am working on getting a wedding budget. I don't even think I did that right. Dang it, I got it wrong. To see if I can find something to make, wedding planning easier. So I'm doing that, and then I'm watching TV. I started a new TV show. Since my last vlog, I finished 2 TV shows. I finished all of Gossip Girl and all of this new TV show called Life. Well, actually, it's old, but it was just put on Netflix. And now I'm starting White Collar because, I don't know. I started Scandal, and I was like, I don't really care for that. But White Collar is just so good, and the guy's really cute. So, yeah, I'm going to work out today with Cody, and that's really about it. Or I think we're having dinner tonight and then watching a movie. Can't think of anything else, but hopefully I can find a wedding budget because I've been trying to find one for like the last forever. Well, not really, but and I can't find one that's good enough. So that's what we're working on. So yeah. Get up there. Come on. Get up here. What are you doing up there, silly puppy? You should have been in the circus. Yeah, you should have been in the circus. Love you. That was a big kiss. So this just happened. White Collar. Neil Caffrey. Really cute.
It's not. Hey, check this out.
My little babies. My babies. Are you tired?
Look at that TV.
You tired, girl?
Thanks to our goodwill with the Japanese ambassador, I've arranged for
You tired, baby?
You kicking me out? No. I just thought you could watch the game on that TV.
You tired?
The rest of the week. I have to go back to your place and grab my bag.
Harley.
What kind of friend would I be if I made you get your own bags?
I love you. I love you, pretty girl.
Because I ran Alex's sprint. For so many reasons, Peter.
Oops.
Anytime.
Not this time, Neil.
Oh.
Those have lost their charm for me. What are you doing here?
I thought we could start fresh. Go back to the beginning.
Oh, Yanni. I love you.
Sorry.
My babies.
Should have been honest.
Well, just finished my episode of what is this? One roll, 2 roll. I have 3 chins. 3. Look at that. 1 right here, 2, 3. Now I have none chins. Or just 1. So I just finished white collar, and then we're going to bed, probably. Actually, I might watch 1 episode. I'm trying to figure out, Cody just texted me. I'm trying to figure out a hashtag for our wedding, like for like Instagram and stuff. And I can't think of anything. So that's difficult. I went to Google and typed in hashtag or wedding hashtag generator thing, and it gave me a bunch of like kind of weird ones, so I don't know. I'm so tired. So I'm gonna try to figure that out, and then I'm going to bed. And my puppy Snuggles. Does she love my puppy Snuggles? You love her. Mwah. Holly. Mwah. A night.